Welcome to PlayOwnAi. Today, we're kicking off our FastAPI Quick Start series with a simple, step-by-step guide to get you up and running fast. In this episode, you'll learn how to install FastAPI, set up a clean virtual environment, and configure everything you need to build your very first FastAPI application, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core request method logic, how FastAPI handles routes, and how to structure your app for real-world development. So let's get started and build your first FastAPI project together. Let's open browser and search for FastAPI tutorial and open the. Now we're going to open the browser and visit the official FastAPI tutorial at fastapi.tiangolo.com. To follow the recommended setup, create project folder. First, let's create a clean workspace for our new FastAPI app. Open your terminal and type mkdir FastAPI, cd FastAPI. Now open this project folder in your favorite IDE, VS Code, PyCharm, or anything you prefer. Virtual environment. Next, we'll create a Python virtual environment. This keeps our project dependencies isolated and clean. Run Python 3 mvenv, fastvenv. Source, fastvenv, bin, activate. Install FastAPI. Now let's install FastAPI along with all recommended dependencies. Pip install FastAPI. Standard. Quote. If your project includes a requirements.txt file, you can install everything at once. Pip install our requirements.txt. When you're done working, you can deactivate the environment with deactivate and reactivate it any time. Source, fastvenv, bin, activate. Create your first FastAPI app. Now let's write our very first FastAPI application. Inside your project folder, create a new file named. Copy the sample code, main.py. Then paste this code. Python. From typing import union. From FastAPI import FastAPI. App equals FastAPI. At app.get, /quote, def read _ root. Return, hello, world. At app.get, items, item _ id. Def read _ item. Item _ id. Int. Q. Union. Str. None. Equals none. Return, item _ id. Item _ id. Q. Q. Here's what's happening. We import FastAPI. We create an app instance. We define two routes. Route 1. Right pointing arrow returns hello, world, Route 2. Items, item _ id, right pointing arrow, accepts a path parameter and an optional query parameter. This is how FastAPI handles request logic. Clean, simple, and fast. Run the development server. To run the app in development mode, type FastAPI dev main.py. FastAPI will start a local server and automatically reload whenever you save your code. You should now see a message showing Uvicorn running on 127.0.0.1, 8000. Test your API. Let's test the app in the browser. Go to 127.0.0.1, 8000. You'll see JSON. Hello, world. Now try this URL. 127.0.0.1, 8000, items, 5. Q equals SumQuery. And FastAPI responds with a JSON object containing the item ID and query parameter. FastAPI Swagger UI. FastAPI automatically creates interactive API documentation. Just open 127.0.0.1 8000 docs. You'll get a full Swagger UI where you can test endpoints directly inside the browser, without writing any extra code. Outro. And that's it. You've just installed FastAPI, created your first app, built 2 endpoints, and tested them, all in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment about what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. This is PlayOwnAi, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Support line. Get assist. Stuck anywhere, or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel, @PlayOwnAi. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell, so you don't miss my next AI automation guide. Your feedback helps me create the most useful content possible. So, what's on your mind? Tell me what you're struggling with in comments. I might just build a full tutorial on it for you. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with PlayOwnAi Playground. Our mission is simple and ambitious: to help millions of people adapt to the AI revolution with clarity and confidence.